Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create lightweight add-on which can run on cloud server, local server and on the browser. So for that we will use our previous solution on which we have worked. So let me open. So firstly you will have to rebuild your solution. Rebuild all succeeded. The second step is to open the extension manager. For that you will have to go to the extension manager folder in program files, SAP Business One, SDK, tools, and then here you will get it, run as administrator. Put the extension name and it is mandatory. Second, you need to put the version, something like this. Third, you need to put the extension provider. You can put here your company name. The fourth one is namespace, where the add-on files will be deployed in add-on folder of the C drive. And fifth one is the database support. So if you want to run your add-on on SQL database or HANA database, both, then you will select both option. And the seventh option is supported client type. It means that if you are selecting both, it means your add-on will run on desktop version of SAP Business One and on the browser version of the SAP Business One. And last one is multi-version. This option is recommended for cloud add-ons. So we will select it and then come to the SBO compatibility. Here you will put the from version to, then from version to version, and this is also recommended for cloud add-ons. So let me put something 9.2 PL 8 version and then 9.3 and 9.3 PL 10. So all the SAP Business One client will support that is lying between these add-ons version. So we have almost completed it. Now we need to select the files of our solutions. Have done it. Now you need to make the package. Desktop reports. Save it. So as I have earlier told, our add-on will support on cloud version, cloud server, local server and on browser. So for that I have done the configuration. So let it to check it out. This one. So we will deploy this add-on. For this we will log in into SAP Business One and go to the add-on administration. Click here manage extensions for lightweight deployment. Once you have done, you need to log in with B1 site user. Import your add-on. Next and finish. The third step is to assign your add-on to a company. Next, here is the option. You can make your add-on automatic, manual, mandatory and disabled. So it can be option that you can manage your add-on. You can also select for a specific user. These three option, four option: default, automatic, manual and disabled. So I am going through manual option. Next, finish. So we have completed installation part. Now we will move to the SAP Business One and we'll check the add-on is running or not. So let's come and re-log in. This option is coming because I have earlier installed the add-on. So and then uninstalled that add-on, that's why this is showing this message. Once again the add-on is being has been installed successfully. Sorry, go to the add-ons, add-on manager. You can see here all the details coming that you have put it into the extension manager. Let's select and start. This screen is coming because we have used in our solution as a console application. If you will use your solution with window application, this is not going to be pop up with you. So in next video we will avoid it. So you can see our add-on has been successfully connected and popping up a message, hello world. Thank you.